Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2018 Charger SRT Hellcat. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio memory, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.